Hello, and welcome to our guide on enjoying the incredible benefits of garlic while steering clear of some common mistakes. Garlic, known for its incredible flavor and health properties, can sometimes be mishandled. Let's dive into the top 6 mistakes to avoid while consuming garlic. Mistake number 1: cooking garlic immediately after chopping or crushing it. To maximize its health benefits, allow crushed or chopped garlic to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before exposing it to heat. This time allows the enzyme alliinase to activate, enhancing its medicinal properties. Mistake number 2: storing garlic in plastic bags or at room temperature. Store garlic in a cool, dry place with good air circulation, like a mesh bag or a basket, away from direct sunlight. Avoid refrigerating whole bulbs as it can encourage sprouting. Mistake number 3: consuming excessive raw garlic. While garlic is incredibly beneficial, eating too much raw garlic can cause digestive discomfort and even irritation. A clove or 2 a day is usually sufficient to reap its benefits. Mistake number 4: burning garlic while cooking. Garlic burns quickly and can turn bitter if overcooked. To avoid this, cook it on low to medium heat and keep a close eye on it. Mistake number 5: relying solely on garlic supplements. While supplements can be convenient, they may not provide the same benefits as fresh garlic. Whenever possible, incorporate fresh garlic into your meals for maximum advantages. Mistake number 6: ignoring garlic allergies or sensitivities. Some people may be allergic or sensitive to garlic, experiencing symptoms like digestive issues or skin reactions. If you suspect an allergy, consult a healthcare professional. And there you have it, 6 common mistakes to avoid when consuming garlic. By keeping these tips in mind, you can fully enjoy the flavor and health benefits that garlic has to offer. Remember, enjoy garlic wisely. Stay healthy.